here's what we're going to do. If you don't have enough fund in your account, please go and fund your account. All right. We're going to be trading the gold market. All right. Yeah, as usual. You know, whenever we have a news event like this, I love to trade the gold market. The reason is because it's very volatile and it can give me a good profit in no time. Yes. So if you want to trade it with me, you want us to risk it together, please go and fund your account. If you have $5, go and make a top up. Okay, have at least up to $10 in your account, so that we'll be able to hold the trade together. Yeah, you know their movement is very fast, so before you know, it has moved. All right. So go and make a top up, and if you are funding, fund at least $10. Okay. If you fund using the banner, that banner in front of you, you see that banner where deposit with benefit is boldly written on. If you use that banner to fund, you're going to be qualified to join my premium group. Okay. So in case this is your first time here, welcome to my live trading session. So on this session, I analyze the market and give out free signals. Okay, so right now we are waiting for the news event, the NFP news event, happening around 2:30 p.m. Okay, that is less than 30 minutes from now. So if you don't have enough fund in your account, please go and fund. It's very important. Okay, you can just fund $10 and see how it goes. All right, fund $10 and you even be qualified to join my premium group. All right. So the benefit of joining my premium group is you get signals every day, at least 3 signals per day, and our winning rate has been very, very, very pretty good. Okay. So guys, come and join my premium group. Let's see how we can make the most out of the forex market. Guys, money day forex. Okay? So let's make money. Let's take our own from it. So I remember I said I was going to, you know, share how to take trades, but unfortunately I haven't been able to get my BTC Dana screen. I don't know why. I am not able to share my screen. Okay, but this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to give an explanation rather. Okay. So I'm going to be teaching how you can actually interpret a signal. Okay. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can interpret a signal. So excuse me for a bit. Okay. So I'm just going to copy a trade. I'm just going to copy a random trade. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let me just copy any random one and paste it out. Guys, excuse me for a moment here. I want to quickly, show you guys how you can easily interpret a signal. Okay. But as you know, for me to do that, I need to share a signal, and I just have the right one to share with you guys right now. So once I share the signal, I'm going to tell you what you are supposed to do with the signal. Okay. So this is for the newbies that are just joining us for the first time. Uh, so in case you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you how to do that properly. All right. So just stick around. Give me a bit of time to set things up here. All right. So GBPCAD. We took this trade on our premium group. Okay, and we made a big amount of money, honestly. So we made pretty good amount of money when the market came to this level. This is going to continue to go down, I'm telling you. So now, I'm going to share a signal from this trade. So let's just quickly do this before our news event comes around. So let me quickly share it here. Yes. So this is how a signal looks like. All right. So this is what a signal looks like. If you can see this clearly, let me bold this. All right. So this is what the signal looks like. And as you can see here, it's an intraday trade. Okay. So we have intraday trade, we have the scalping trade, and we have the swing trade. Let me scalp with an intraday trade since it's what we're seeing here. So an intraday trade is a trade that is expected to run within the range of 24-hour cap. Okay. So let's say we take a signal right now, we take a trade now, and the trade lasts till tomorrow. Okay, even though it lasts till 2 p.m. You see, right now is 2:10. All right, that is 10 minutes after 2, 10 past 2. Okay, so even if it runs till 2 p.m. tomorrow, it's still within the range of 24 hours until 2:10. Okay, but if it goes past 2:10, then it's not an intraday trade anymore. It is now a swing trade. Okay, a swing trade is a trade that is expected to run for days. Okay, a trade that is expected to run for days. So if a trade goes above 24 hours, okay, if you hold a trade for more than 24 hours, then the trade is not an intraday trade anymore. The trade is now a swing trade. Okay, then we have a scalping trade. So a scalping trade is quite different. A scalping trade is a trade that is expected to run for, just a few minutes. Okay, few minutes. Once it past an hour, it is not a scalping trade anymore. Yeah, some people will say scalping trade. You can also hold scalping trade for a few hours. It's possible. Okay, that is maybe the market you took was ranging. Okay, but it's still a scalping trade. All right. But once a trade goes past 1 hour, 2 hour, it is not a scalping trade anymore. It is now an intraday trade. All right. So I hope you guys got that. So now here we have this intraday trade, and the difference is if you are taking a trade and the trade is an intraday trade, if you want to take a signal and the trade is an intraday trade, if you got the signal, let's say 5 minutes after, the trade is still valid. If you got the signal, let's say 15 minutes after, yeah, you need to ask, you know, the admin that dropped the signal or whoever gave you the signal. Okay, ask if the trade, if you can still open position on the signal that was sent. Okay, it's very important. The reason why I'm saying this is because I know some people will get signal maybe 30 minutes after the signal was dropped or 1 hour after the signal was dropped, and then they place the trade. Okay, so if you are such person that sees signal, maybe a signal was dropped around 8 a.m., then when you got it, it was 9, okay, or 8:30. That means the signal has been dropped for over 30 minutes to 1 hour before you got the signal. So that kind of signal you can easily lose. Okay. The reason is because maybe the market has played out. Yeah. If it's an intraday trade, maybe the market has already started playing out. Okay. Then maybe the very moment you got in, the market started reversing. All right. The reversing is not, to the people, it's not going to affect the people that actually took the signal earlier. Okay, it's going to affect you because you took the trade very late. So now, if the market is going to go against you, you see where the stop loss is going to take more from you. Okay, it's going to take more from you because you entered at a very far distance, different from the initial price that has been specified. Okay, so that is why you need to be very careful if you are taking a signal. All right, make sure you set an alarm. That is why I advise all of you, come and join my premium group. That way you don't have to uh, look for signals everywhere. Okay, you can just set an alarm, set an alert. Anytime I drop an update, you get notified. Then just follow the instructions that I've given out. All right. So, and then if you got a scalping signal, so let's say you got a signal now, and the signal is a scalping trade. What you are supposed to do is, if you got the signal, let's say 5 minutes after, don't even bother taking the trade because it's a scalping trade. So a scalping trade can last for just 15 minutes. So if you saw the signal after 5 minutes, the market must have even played out after before that 5 minutes or whatever. Okay, so a scalping trade can take few minutes. All right, starting from 1 minute. So you can really tell if after 5 minutes the scalping trade is still valid. All right. So that is it. Now we have this signal here, and this signal is a sell signal, and then we have this sell area. All right. So unless the signal is a pending order, I don't think you should pay too much attention to this. Okay, unless the signal is a pending order signal. Okay, so if you got a signal and the signal says pending order, sell limit. Okay, that is when you have to use the number in front of this. But if it is a sell now, okay, or sell area, don't bother. Okay, you don't need to pay attention to this. What you need to pay attention to is these numbers, the TP1, TP2, and the SL. Now, the TP1 and the TP2, they are TPs. Okay, take profit levels. So how you are supposed to use this is, if the market, so let's say you took a trade on GBPCAD right now. See, I made this analysis, but I forgot to post it. Okay. So you see, I had to teach you guys, and I forgot to post the analysis that I made. I wanted to send this to my premium members, and the has already started playing out. Okay, let's just continue. Let's just continue. I will get another one. So, where are we? So now let's say you want to sell GBP CAD, and you have these two TPs. So what they mean is, what the TP1 and TP2 mean is, you are supposed to use just one of them. Okay, you are to use one of them unless you have multiple entry points. Okay, unless you have multiple entry points. What I mean by multiple entry point is, so uh let's say you have two entries. Okay, you open these two times, you sold GBPCAD two times, so that way you can enter TP1 for the first one and enter TP2 for the second one. Okay, then set your stop loss for both. Okay, TP2. So TP2, TP1 is much faster. TP2 is further. Okay. So it's just like when you're saying, okay, when I get to this area, let me take some more profit. When I get to this area, I'll take all the profit. Okay. So this one is, it's not, the distance is not that much. So you can just use TP1. I use TP1 always. Okay. I hardly use TP2, but TP2 is there in case you are interested in holding the trade for long. Okay. So I just had TP1 and TP2 because of other, traders that might have experience in trading, and they analyze the market and look for a way to hold the trade to this level. So that is why we have the TP1 and the TP2. But personally, I use TP1. Okay, so when the market gets to TP1, it gives me my profit, and then I look for another entry opportunity. So how I wish my screen is up, then I can show you how to place it in the app, right? But all you need to do is when you go to market, search for this, okay? Because this is the signal. So the signal is GBP CAD. Search for GBP CAD. So when it takes you to the GBP CAD chart, click on sell, okay? Because the signal here is what? The signal is a sell. If it's a buy, you click on the buy. Then when you click on sell, you'll see a button um, at the right side of SLTP. Okay, you see a button at the right side of SLTP. Just click on it. It's going to expand and give you some option to fill this in. Okay, so there you can fill your TP. Just copy the number here, copy the number in front of it or type it in. Once you enter your TP, copy SL also and enter it respectively. Okay, respectively. So once that is done, then click on sell. So now your market is running. All right. Then leave the market to run. And again, guys, we have volume. Make sure you are using the lowest volume if you don't have much equity. Okay, balance. So let's say you have $10, you have $15. Please always stick to 0.01. Okay, if you increase it, hey, you'll be in trouble, guys. Okay, if you increase it, TP volumes, they are just like when you have 500 naira right now and you want to buy a pen. Okay, if you are buying one pen, let's say a pen costs 15 naira. If you are buying one pen, it's going to take 15 naira from your 500 naira. Okay, you'll still be left with 450. But if you are buying a pen, sorry, if you are buying a pen of 15 naira, yeah, and you are getting five of the pen, that means you are going to be spending 250 out of your 500 naira, leaving you with just 250. So that is just it. Okay. So the more you increase the lot size, the more it's going to take from your balance. Right. So please use smaller equity and practice risk management. So that way everything would move pretty well and you won't have any issue with the market. Nothing is 100% though, but at least if you manage your risk well, if you manage your risk well, you'll be able to, uh, make a better amount of money from the market. So, um, so sorry I couldn't share my screen, but that will be all for now. Okay, but don't worry, I'm going to show you guys when I'm able to get, you know, the screen set up properly. But for now, let's just leave it here. All right. So I'm going to start to make analysis now. Give me a few minutes here, guys. All right. So Okay, guys, get your account ready. Okay, get your account ready. So in any moment from now, I can give a waiting trade. All right. So what I mean by a waiting trade is, uh, so just make sure your account is ready. All right. Hold on a second, guys. All right. So, guys, if you are still on this trade, I'll advise you to get out. Though the market is going to sell, but I think it's going to, come to this area to take out these liquidities before it continues to go down. So please, just be careful. If you have multiple positions, you can actually close some. All right, just close some and hold on. Okay. So here we have the XAU USD. So guys, get your account ready. We are currently waiting patiently for anticipation. All right. So when I say buy, you buy immediately. Just a few more minutes. So we all are currently waiting uh, less than 3 minutes. All right. So here's what's going to happen, guys. We are going to wait for this market to take out this liquidity before we buy. Okay. This is the 15-minute time frame. I don't want a situation where, the market will go up a little bit, then come down, to take us out. So let's wait for the market to finish its movement. All right. Then we continue to take it to the upside. So we are on the 5 minute, on the 15 minutes time frame now. Less than a minute, guys. All right, in a few seconds. Okay. So it's happening, guys. You see? So if this market breaks this area, then we are going to continue to sell it. Okay, it broke it already. Okay, guys, wait for my signal. Okay. So it's currently at the zone where we want it to be. Guys, buy XAUUSD now. So if it goes below this area, then we close our trade. We are just capping a little bit. Okay, it's going our way, guys. Okay. Okay. I think we took our entry here. So we are still holding this. All right. So we are still holding. So once we have the retest to this area, we close. All right. You see, this is why you need a good amount of fund to hold a news event. Okay. I didn't get my analysis properly on time. We should have taken it from here right immediately. It got there, and we could have been looking for closing our trade now, but we took it late. So I was anticipating a buy and not a sell, but the market spiked down, broke below this area, which means the volatility for a sell is much more stronger. All right. Okay, guys. Let's close this trade. Let's close the trade. So this market is definitely gonna move from here. I told you guys to close because I don't want, people experiencing too much loss. So let's look for another perfect entry before the end of our session. All right. Premium members, congratulations. Our GBP, USD, and GBP CAD trade from yesterday went pretty well. Okay. So I had few position even after telling you guys to secure your profit in the morning. I had few positions, and the market is doing well. Okay, guys. We are going to buy from here, but please make sure you risk wisely. Okay, please risk wisely. So I'm going to give out the take profit and the stop loss. So buy. Okay, we are buying from here. We have our take profit and our stop loss. Okay, guys. If you want to scalp the market, you can close some positions. Okay, the market is going our way already. Yeah, we are in good profit, guys. We are in good profit. So, guys, please close some positions. Okay. So what I do is when the market comes back in here again, I will reopen those positions again, another position. So now the market is going our way. All right. We are making profit. We are making good profit here, guys. It's almost at our take profit level. So please, that's very good, guys. Please close positions. Close positions, all right? So our first entry, we had to close, but our second entry was profitable. All right. So this is where I said open another buy. Then here we are closing right now. All right. Sorry, I can't share my screen with you guys. I was having a bit of trouble with the app I used to share my screen here. So the market is almost at the TP, but we made profit already. All right. We made good profit already. So guys, I don't think there's need to set TP and stop loss anymore. Just close your positions. All right. Close positions. We don't make money already. Close positions. So the market movement was very fast. Okay, it was very fast. There wasn't, you know, so much time to place too many trades. But overall, we make good profit. Okay, so NFP was a banger, guys. NFP was good. All right, NFP was good. So let's see if this is going to hit our take profit level. Let's see if it's going to hit our take profit level. So let's go see our movement. You see, this is the 15 minutes, 5 minutes time frame. So whatever loss you made on our first entry, you've definitely recovered and made even better profit. Trust me. Unless you didn't take the trade. Unless you didn't take the trade. So guys, congratulations to us. We made good profit. All right. Yeah. So the market hit TP, guys. The market hit TP and we made good profit. So my remaining positions are closed. All right. My remaining positions are closed. So guys, congratulations. We made money from the NFP news. And see how I was able to predict exactly where the price was going to move from. Guys, this is called um professionalism. This is what it takes to become a professional. Okay, so only a professional can do this kind of thing, can make this kind of move. All right. So you see, I pointed out this area specifically that the market was going to move from there. And what happened? The market moved from there, even though the market was coming down, okay, with a very long uh, bearish candle. I said the market is going to move from here. And exactly from that point, the market moved to the upside. So if you want to do this, if you want to be able to do this, fund your account with at least $200. Okay? Fund up to $200. Then you can learn this from me. Okay? I'll teach you everything you need to know about trading. Things that are very important. Things you need to know for you to be able to get this kind of movement also. All right? So all you need is fund your account with at least $200 so that you'll be able to get a one-on-one session with me. Okay? If you fund $10, you'll be added to the premium group. I remember, whatever you fund, the money is still going into your trading account, into your trading wallet, the same way you fund every day. Okay? So if you fund right now, the money is still going into your account. Okay? The money is still going into your account. You still be trading with the money. All right. I'll be giving you signals and you'll be trading with your money. Okay. It's your money and you can withdraw the money anytime you want. So let's see if we can get another entry on this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's wait for the market. So the market can act funny on us. We're definitely going to get another entry. First setup didn't go as planned. Second setup was a win. So congratulations, guys. So just imagine what we do on uh, in the premium group if we are able to get all of this. So guys, let's wait for the market to make another move to the upside, then we sell. Okay? Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's just keep a lookout on this. If it makes a move to the upside, we are going to sell this again. I'm telling you. So prepare your account, get your account ready. No need for this. The market has already played out. So let me delete that. So let's go to yeah, it's making a move now. And we are definitely going to get another entry from here. We have this move here. I know this, kind of look easy to you guys anytime I'm making analysis. See, that is why it is important that you learn. Okay? If you know how to do this, nothing here, would surprise you. So I had to learn before I'm able to do all of this. Okay? It takes learning to become perfect. It takes learning to become great at what you do. So whatever you want to do, you need to invest more in knowledge. And how do you invest in knowledge? Go and fund your account using that banner. You see that banner where deposit with benefit is boldly written on? Yeah. Click on the banner. It's going to take you to where you can make a deposit. Okay. So fund your account with at least $200. Then you'll be able to get a session with me, a one-on-one session. If you fund $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks, but you will not have session with me. If you fund $15 will get you into my premium group for 1 month, but you still not have session with me. Okay. But if you fund up to $200, that way you'll be able to have that session with me. So you see the market is still making move to the upside pretty well. We bought from here, our market took profits, and the market still came all the way to this area. So guys, that is it. Okay, so the market didn't trigger where I wanted it to, but it's definitely going to start selling. Okay, so I think it's still going to come back here to trigger our entry. All right. So if this had gone inside, we would have taken another trade. Okay, we would have taken another trade, and right now we'll be looking for, you know, getting out of the market. All right. So my premium members profited a lot from this, profited a lot from this trade. I'm sure of that. Okay. And this was sent to the you know, general group this morning also. So if you took this, congratulations, you made good profit. All right. If you were still on this, you made good profit. Okay, so let's go back to our XAU USD gold. You see, I love gold when there's a news event. Yes, because it always goes as planned. I don't think we've ever lost any NFP news event trade. I don't think so. So this also went well. Congratulations to us. So I want this to come back here before I could take my entry, but unfortunately, you see, it got here and then started to move again. Okay. Okay. This doesn't seem like he's going to come back here. And guys, the news event is over. Okay, the news event is over because this is the news. You see this movement? That is the news. So whatever happened next year, right now, is not the news event anymore. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. So the market didn't trigger our entry from where I wanted it to. And as you can see, the market is making a move to the downside right now. I wish the market had triggered. Right now would have been the best time to take the profit. So no worries. Let's just look for another one. Let's see if we can get another setup before the end of our session. Okay. Okay, let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see if we have a good entry here. So if we have a good entry, guys, I'm going to give you this trade. Or rather, I think I should just give this to my premium members. Yeah, I'm going to give this to my premium members since you guys have refused to fund on my live stream. I'm only going to give this to the people that funded their account on the live stream. So those are the people that want to be serious with me. They want me to take them serious. Let me see. Let me see what is going on this on the lower time frame. So that was a pretty move. Um, so I wish I saw this earlier. Let's go back to let's go back to the 5 minutes. Okay, that's a beautiful move. That's a beautiful move. So let's just wait and see how this candle closes. If this close with a bearish move, I think we can actually consider taking this trade. Oh, I remember I said I was going to give it to my premium members. If you want to join the premium group, fund your account. Okay, fund your account on my. Okay, sorry guys, got disconnected a bit there. Okay, so unless we want to scalp this, I think the market is going to continue to go up. But if we are going to scalp either ways, we should have taken our entry from the area where the market start to move to the downside. All right, should have taken our trade from here. So since we didn't take it from here, because on the higher time frame right now, as you can see, the market is going to continue to go up. BTC crypto instruments has been on uptrend. All right, the crypto instruments has been on uptrend. So you see this small breakout here, the market is going to continue to go up. Trust me. The market is going to continue to move to the upside. So I think I'm going to give this to my premium members to enjoy. Yeah. So if you want to become my premium member, just go and fund your account with at least $10. $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. All right. So I'm just going to wait for a candle close. Once I get one, I'm going to share this to my members for them to enjoy, the sweet move of the crypto market. Yeah. So let me just quickly give them this. Let me quickly share this with them before we end this session. BTC USDT. If you want to get this, go and fund your account. All right. If you want to get this, fund your account. Come and join me. So guys, congratulations to us. We made profit from our NFP news trade, which is a good thing. So join me again tomorrow. Oh, sorry. Tomorrow is weekend, yeah? So join me again on Monday. Let's analyze the market together and look for entry opportunities. Okay? We are going to the weekend now. If you are a learner, you are a beginner, go and continue to learn. Okay? You can still trade the crypto instruments even uh, in weekends. All right? So practice with your demo. Come and fund your account. Come and get good signals. Okay? Go and fund your account. If you don't want to do the work, I will do the work for you. So look at what I'm doing here right now. You see, I'm analyzing the market, and I was looking for entry opportunity for my premium members. That is what I do for my members, for my premium members. So if you want to become one of my premium member, just go and fund your account with at least $10. Okay. So once you fund $10, you are going to be added to my premium group. There you'll be getting signals daily, every day. All right. So, guys, I'll see you all again on Monday. Enjoy the whole of your weekends. If you funded and you made money, go and make a withdrawal. Take yourself out. Take whoever you want to take out. Take them out. Enjoy yourself. Let's continue again on Monday. So I'll see you all next week. Bye for now.